morning, dear students. Welcome to your online lecture of English. I, Gitika, is again with you with a new chapter of Reader, that is a poem, The Quarrel, written by Eleanor Farjeon. Eleanor Farjeon was an English author who has written so many beautiful poems and stories for children, especially for children. So, in her memory, the Eleanor Farjeon Award was started, and this award is given to children who show great performance in the field of literature. Now let us come to the title of the poem. As the title suggests us that the theme is about quarrel, any issue, any problem between two people. So who is going to quarrel, who is going to fight in the course of the poem? So let us explore. Well, students, this poem talks about the silly quarrels that take place among siblings, brothers and sisters like you. I'm sure that you people fight with your brother and sister. Yes or no? है ना? So these quarrels start with foolish reasons, like there is no any solid reason behind the such kind of quarrels, like why you have taken remote, why are you sitting on my chair, why you have taken my pen, why are you using my pen, this is mine, please give it to me. So these fights are baseless. Sometimes we are not even aware why we are fighting. So, and no one is going to admit defeat. हम में से कोई भी हार नहीं मानना चाहता है ना? So, but by the end of the day, we make it up with each other, or we are together again. So now let us recite the poem. Here this girl says, I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. Now here the girl says that I had an angry argument with my brother, but I am not aware about the reason. The reason was so slight or so small that I do not remember the reason why I started fighting, why we started fighting with each other. One thing led to another. There were a sequence of words. We were talking in a loud voice to each other, and somehow we fell out, and at last we stopped talking. Fell out means stopped talking. We stopped talking. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. Now girl says it started with a very small reason. I don't remember the reason even. It started with a small reason, but the end of it was very strong. It was very strong as we stopped talking to each other. इतना strong था that we stopped talking. He said he was right. He was saying that he was right, but I knew that he was wrong. He was at the fault. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. We did not talk to each other during the whole noon. We did not had a word even. So we were not talking to each other. The afternoon turned black. So we spent our afternoon like that only. And now the fight which started in afternoon, it continued till night. All of a sudden, my brother came. He thumped me on the back. Thumped me, he hit me, he struck me on the back. वो मेरे कमर पे आके थपकी देता है. And said, oh, come along. We can't go on all night. I was in the wrong. So he was in the right. So now the boy came to the sister and he admitted his mistake. He said that I was wrong. So the girl was very clever. She said, I was in the wrong. My brother admitted his mistake that I was wrong. So now this time he is right. Now he is saying right, that he was wrong at that time. So his brother realized his mistake and he wanted to make up with his sister. So now their fight ends with a happy note. So what do you feel? How do you feel after reciting this poem? Interesting, na? So, recite this poem yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.